This hair is just so bouncy. Like, do you see this? Is this not giving you life right now? What's good, you guys? It's your girl Tracy and I'm back to do another video. As you guys can see by the title, in this video I'm going to be reviewing Sogoodhair. This is their Kinky straight 14-inch wig, and I'm super excited to work with them once more because their hair company is so freaking bomb. Like, the hair that they have is so bomb. The previous wig that I reviewed for them is literally my favorite wig to this day. Like, I love that wig and I am trying to hold on to that wig with my life, like, for real. I deep condition that wig and I keep like maintaining that wig because it's literally one of my favorite wigs ever. So yeah, today I'm reviewing their 14-inch Kinky straight wig. But before we get into the video, I do want to say, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video, comment any new ideas you have for me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my second channel. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So like I said in the beginning, this hair company is called Sogoodhair. I actually really like this hair company. I've worked with them one time before. I reviewed their Kinky curly bob, and that's literally my favorite wig to this day. To this day, this is my favorite wig. So I was super excited to work with them once again, and today I'm reviewing their 14 inches of Kinky straight hair. And when I tell you guys, this wig is so soft and silky. Like, I don't know if you can see how soft it is. It's so bouncy. It's just super soft and silky, and it literally resembles how my hair would look if I straightened it. I didn't want to straighten it too much because I kind of wanted to see the texture in the wig because, you know, it's Kinky straight, so we want to see the kinkiness, you know. This is the Lemon Kinky straight wig. This is not a lace front. This is a 4x4 wig, so it just goes from right here to right here. You can do a middle part or a side part. This wig was actually pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I didn't bleach the knots on this wig at all because it's already bleached. As you guys can see, I'll insert a clip. Yes, it is beautifully pre-bleached and pre-plucked. I went in and plucked it just like super slightly. I was so surprised that it was actually pre-bleached because usually when it says pre-bleached, it's not, and you have to go back in and bleach it. But this was actually bleached. Like, they actually bleached the knots for this wig, so that was really cool. It also had a wig band, but I took it out. I'll touch base on that later on in the video. Oh, and this wig also came with a bunch of gifts. This wig came with a bonnet, it came with earrings, it came with hair clips, it came with tweezers, it came with an eyebrow brush, as well as a wig cap that is actually my skin color. Yeah, the shipping was also super fast. I got this wig, I think 3 or 4 days after I ordered it, so I was really excited about that. Just talk about the actual hair. This wig is super freaking light, but it looks so full and thick on camera and like in person. It looks so freaking thick. It's super fluffy. Like, I don't know, this wig is just giving me life. It is. I want to use a hot comb just to flatten the top down a little bit more, but overall, this wig is so nice. Like, I love the quality of the hair. It was actually pre-bleached, pre-plucked, came with a wig band, which I removed because it was like bothering the back of my ear. And this wig cap, the size is actually a little bit too big for my head. Like, on this side, as you guys can see, it's covering my ear a little bit because the wig is kind of big, and if I put it behind my ear, it'll also be bothering. It will like bother my ear, so it's a little bit too big for my head size. I don't know if it's an average head size, which is I think a 21, but yeah, so far so good though. Like, this is super soft, and since it's a closure wig, I won't have to do too much. This can be an everyday wig for me, which I don't mind because it looks so natural. I don't know. This wig is giving me all types of life. And yes, I am wearing contacts. I did a contact video by TTDI. I reviewed a couple of their contacts, so please stay tuned for that as well. That will be in my next video, or, you know, one of the videos coming up. But yeah, so far so good. I love this hair so much. I think I'm gonna go in with a smaller hair curler just so that the curls will stay a little bit longer But yeah, with that being said, I don't really have anything else to say. I'm going to keep wearing this wig to see how the maintenance is and to see if it will last. But trust me, this is a great hair company, so I'm sure it will last. This wig is also very affordable. So just make sure you check the link down in the description box below. Check out the company, see the different stuff that they have, see the different textures that they have, and compare prices, because this is very affordable for the quality. It's perfect. I'm in love. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't really have anything else to say. Please stay tuned for the end of the video to see how I install this wig. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. hair is looking so far. I'm trying to decide if I want to curl it or not. But yeah, this is how the hair looks so far. You can definitely see the texture. It's super full and super freaking soft and silky. I could have made it a little bit more straighter, but I kind of wanted to see the texture a little bit because, you know, I don't want to just be like some bone straight hair that I bought. So yeah, I'm definitely loving it though. Like, it's definitely super pretty and super soft. I'm gonna add a little bit of makeup to the lace just because it's kind of hot in here and I can kind of see a little bit of white from the glue. So yeah, but so far so good. This is so pretty. I think I am gonna curl it, but I'm gonna curl it off camera just to, you know, not make the video too long, but definitely stay tuned to see how it looks when it's curled. So this is how it looks curled. It's super fluffy. Like, I think it's the first time I'm using the word fluffy on my channel, but this hair is like, it's like, I don't know, it's super fluffy. It's super thick, but it's not heavy at all. It's super light. Oh, this is so pretty. Definitely make sure you guys check the link down in the description box below. Definitely check it out. This hair is bomb. From Sogoodhair. I love this company. They never ever let me down with their hair. The hair is always so, like, just super quality. Like, I love the quality of the wig. With that being said though, I don't have anything else to say. Please be sure to check out the prices and see the different styles that they have because they have so many different textures. And with that being said, I don't really have anything else to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.